Our preparation, nag-focus lang kami sa matinong steps, maayos, simple yet powerful, and props, and pati backdrop namin. We make sure na align siya sa concept ng ating lamparahan.
For the concept, basically, it's about family na may single father na OFW, and naiwan dito sa Pinas is yung magkapatid, isang kuya at saka isang bunso. Yeah, that's the main concept. Syempre, the end, yung ipapakita namin, yung kwento ng samahan.
Our message, naway maging successful ang event namin. Sana is mai-present namin ng maayos and powerful yung mga pinag-handa namin.